Share payment we say 1,107 Ghana cedis. Next we say 216 Ghana cedis. We 153 cedis. We 189 cedis. We 99 cedis. Okay, I mean MBA more payment I'm receiving financial. I had 324 Ghana cedis, 178 Ghana cedis, 225 Ghana cedis, 162 Ghana cedis, 214 Ghana cedis, 216 Ghana cedis, 315 Ghana cedis, 160 Ghana cedis, 63 cedis, 234 cedis, 241 cedis, 234 cedis, 135 cedis, 81 cedis, 213 cedis, 234 cedis, 54 cedis, 81 cedis, 36 cedis, 27 cedis, 45 cedis, 124 cedis, 27 cedis, 9 cedis. When enyina eye paid sika website we dey etuameka. Enti se meka kire wo say ma make over 5k Ghana cedis our website we so eye truth. E na meka kire wo no on so much ha say paid. Ni nyina me sakan e wo mobile money. Enti hwe video na me ye na chi no na ehwe na sua na so ye na efenya sika fefre sa website we say eso. Since 2021, I mean, na mention since 2021, na the website we September 2021, 30th September 2021, and na me request here for my first payment, which is 1,107. Okay, it is since then, no website ni go see ye juma ebesine. Also bet me edi enyasika we bi. Edi go bottom. Okay, it metro send over request for payment. Obi so be me send over requested for payment our website mission to make sure na unsu why more for to this video no over video na e wo echirenim another share so has been better home another video description ni mu na wa video ni hunu ni me kan ye e was a video ni okay mention send over requested for payment e simple as ABC e so simple kra enye den nti o de ma me come dashboard ni so back na me fan show one mo say wo hwe ase ha say na uhu next payment request no na amount na owo account ni mu no eda ha epacho minimum threshold no eye 9 Ghana cedis into one referral pempo ena wenya obetumi a request no wenya wo 9 Ghana cedis wonum ti charge bia ewom ti se 9 cedis na owa 9 cedis pepepe na obenya okay omo ye so flexible all the website we adwuma ebebo bebre okay into next payment request na se no na what type phone number na person dey receive scan no na wa board ya ha say na wa confirm phone number no e dey ha na wo dey o full name a e wo mobile money ni so aso bi send this car obehu sa name no bo fa ha say na HUC wo network operator no either MTN Vodafone and say Airtel Tigo okay and no we are na wo mia request for payment e be kwa akoda pending ha say ubehu ewo total pending honomo within an hour no on sabekan sika no website we say eye adwuma de bia every Sunday ekosi Sunday nti anytime bia no put me a request for payment within 1 hour on sabekan sika eye so simple and I'm actually na mo so na mo doubt no and I'm actually mo sane me request for payment I'm receiving in since 2021 ABC date okay nti no ebusia and more if you subscribe to channel and now turn on notification bell and get to notified. They be an video ever to a hand say like the video no na intimate trendy ewo YouTube. Or question be na or comment section I say join the Telegram group no na e ho so no obetumi drop questions no na ye din komo e de free ho no mo. Ye be share ewo videos na e din enim back on macro for now.